Hi guys, if you are watching this, today is Thursday, October 8th. This is just a reminder that you want to go do your vocabulary assignment. You should be all the way up to the fourth activity, which I believe is like a reading comprehension check. Don't forget that I put that reader on there. If you want to click the button, it'll read it to you. And then this is really important. Today for your assignment, after you listen to the lesson, I talk about selecting two of the checklist items, categories for your assignment. You're going to choose two categories and you're going to put that in the text box. But first, you're going to copy your memoir from your digital notebook by hitting Control C, and then you're going to paste it into the Google Doc I've attached in the Memoir Google Classroom assignment. I'm going to put a link in here. Then you need to go on and put a header on there. The MLA standard header is your name, my name, your class period, and then the date, but it's written, it's reversed. So it's the day comes first, then the month, then the year. And then you're going to highlight your entire memoir doc, including the header, and change the fonts to Times New Roman size 12. And then go to format and you're going to click it and choose double space because that's how MLA is. Times New Roman, 12 font, double space with a header on there. And then the last thing you need to remember is to add a title. Then you're going to turn in the assignment, hit submit assignment, and choose two categories from the narrative checklist I've also attached here. And once you've chosen those two categories, I want you to go to your memoir doc. You can use your writing partner if you need to. You can share this memoir doc with a partner if you need to, or you can just show someone in your household. And in the text box, tell me how you improved two of the chosen areas from the narrative text list. So you're not just going to put like lead and ending. You're going to say, I'm going to change my lead by pointing out or like foreshadowing the problem that's coming in, or starting with the most intense place of the story and then doing a flashback later. You need to like give me details as to how you're changing your text for this. Okay, so and then when you're done, you're going to turn in that assignment. And then in Google Classroom, you want to make sure that you have your memoir all prepared, and we're going to continue to edit it. Please do not turn it in. I will let you know. We probably won't even turn it in until next week sometime. So please do not do that. Okay, I look forward to reading your writing. You guys have a great day.